Hey guys, today we're going to make some delicious bun stew fish. If you want to see how to make it, keep on watching. Here I wash my fish with some white vinegar and pat dry them. Now I'm going to combine 1.5 tablespoons of fish seasoning and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to add a generous amount of seasoning to each piece of fish. Ensure all the sides are seasoned well. To the heating oil, I added 1 small clove of garlic. This helps to give the oil some flavor. Now you're going to add your fish 1 piece at a time and be careful. Fry each side until golden brown before turning. While turning each piece, be gentle so that you don't break them. After each side finish frying, remove them from the pot and allow the oil to cool down before adding the seasoning. If you add the seasoning when the oil is hot, it will burn them. After the oil cools down, remove the excess and add 1 crushed garlic clove. Add 1 carrot and let them fry on a medium to low flame and stir continuously so that they will not stick to the pot. Add 1/4 of a white onion. Add scotch bonnet pepper to your taste. Add your thyme. Now I'm going to add 4 pimento seeds. I am going to add 1/2 cup of water. You can add more, but I don't like my carrots to be soft. I love them crispy. So if you want yours to be soft, add more water. The leftover season that I had after seasoning the fish, that's what I'm going to add to the pot. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. You can add more or you can leave it out. Add salt to your taste. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now I am going to add my fish. Now I am going to add some of the seasoning on top of the fish. This will allow the fish to have a better taste, and also the seasoning will soak throughout the fish. At this time, you are going to do a taste test to see if the fish reaches your desired taste. I realized that mine needed to be spicier, so I am going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do, and please remember to subscribe, and please do try this recipe and enjoy.